Dude, that's nice. So I think these came out a few days ago, but I barely got them. I hid them at Target yet again. But first, we got Galarian Moltres. Then, we got the Galarian Articuno. And lastly, we have the Galarian Zapdos. So, let's start with the Galarian Articuno. Basically, these are the tins I usually come out with every set. And each one of them come with 4 packs, the promo card, and I think something else. Awesome. But I actually do like the promo cards. That's why I got each one of them. There's the promo. We take this off and we have the 4 packs. But let's take a better look at the promo. I don't want to bend it. Oh, there you go. Oh, cool card. But look at the promo. Looks nice. Of course, we got the matching sleeves. That's the first promo. And now it's time for the first 4 packs. Today's stream, we need to have some good luck because this is like the 10 billionth time I've opened these packs. And I actually want to get something good, like a gold card. So, we have this one. But on the back, we have. This card's like $30. Oh my God. $30. And we have like $2 right here. $1, I guess. Wait. Oh wait, what the? Is that look at the cut. Why is... Oh my God, wait, is the cut horrible? No, it's fine, I guess. The next one, code card. Steel, and let's get this. Metang, Dusclops, Salazzle, Shinx, Waymore, Meowth, Baltoy, Tangela, and... Oh wait, Lord. Oh, we got the Turtwig! And... Berry, he said hungry. Crocodile, Lunatone, Energy Switch, Iron, Rockruff, Seal. Oh, I skipped that Conward, Corphish, Era, and as an Executor. Now, we have our second tin. And by the way, these were all $20, so I might have spent a lot of money. But don't worry, guys. It's for you, the fans. So right here, we have the promo. Actually, it does look nice. And of course, we have the 4 packs. Go card. There you go. Here we have the next 4. Alright guys, type a 1 in the chat if you love Hershey bars, or I don't know. Tang, Dusclops, Salazzle, Ponward, Yanma, Chatot, Love Disc, Amoga. Oh! my goodness. There's something else. There's something else. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, ready? Wait, ready? Oh, I already have this one, but oh my goodness gracious. I think this is gonna be a good stream. We got Cynthia's Ambition. Good card. Metang, Dusclops, Helioptile, Squirrel, Grubbin, Purloin, Slanda, you monkey. Oh, look! Look! Altaria, Galarian Gallery. Let's see if we have something in the back. Oh, like reverse, I think, right? But I think I already have this one. I'm a steal. What? Oh, it's a black. I think we know what that means. Soul Rock, Lunatone, Krakara, Switch, Pancham, Helioptile, Lulu, Scrub. Ain't no way, Jose. Oh my goodness gracious. Hatterene VMAX. We just keep getting awesome stuff. Alright, for the next one, wait. Orangaroo. That's actually pretty good. Oh my goodness gracious. I think we're just good at like that. Hatterene VMAX. I think. Ooh, my battery's on 10%. I need to hurry this up. Alright. Wait. Oh. Code card. Energy. Let's get this. Soul Rock, Lunaton, Rockara, Rockruff, Snorunt, Pancham, Shinx, Lulu, Tauros, and so if you can see anything from on top, exhaustion. That's gonna be everything for the second Zapdos Tim. And now, oh wait, for my personal favorite out of all three of them, the Galarian Moltres one. Just taking a quick look around before we get to the last one. I actually do like it, but it's moving around in the box. I want it to be good and pristine. Alright guys, this is the last box. Please type a 1 for good luck. And there it is. The Moltres V. Which, like I said, is my personal favorite. Out of all of them, I just think it really looks nice. Code card. Look at the Moltres one, I think it looks really nice. I really like the art. Who made it? Shinji Konda? Oh, Mr. Konda-san. I hope you're doing good. But anyways, we got the last 4 packs, and let's see if we could finally get a gold card. I'm crossing my fingers, fellas. I sure do hope we can get a gold card. Gold card. And Graveler, Fish Sharp, Rescue Carrier, Rockruff. I see something in the back. Pancham, Shinx, Lulu, Switch, and oh, I lied. A Blossom. Don't worry. We have 3 more. Salazzle, Ultra Ball, Digging Duo, Onward, Yama, Chatot, Love Disc, Emolga. Oh, I already have this one. I think I do. But it's good though. I like Glittering Gallery, Manaphy, and oh, I don't think I have this one. I think, right? Nente. Dusclops, Salazzle, Pokemon Catcher, Shinx, Energy Reversal, Meowth, Baltoy, Tangela. Ooh! Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Why are you guys talking about Fortnite? Wait, alright, let's check the back. We got another reverse energy, whatever they're called. Look at the Leafeon. We got the dark energy. And we finally have our last one. Come on guys. Everyone type in the chat. Everyone type in chat, say that we're gonna get a golden card. Please. Please, everyone type in chat that we're gonna get a golden card. Oh, we got a black! We got a black! We got a black! Alright guys, this has to be the golden card. Please, everyone. Nice Switcher, Matang, Dusclops, Coughing, Sunkern, Mr. Mime. I think, okay, wait, this is the second card, right? No, it's not. Cricket Tot, Calyrex, okay, I actually need that one, so it's fine. Please! Please! Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Oh my goodness gracious. Before we end the stream, we're gonna review our hits. I think we did get a lot of hits. We got... Oh wait, let's go like this. So these are the hits we got today. Eevee, a Dark Reverse, or whatever we call it. We got the Leafeon V Star, which is like, I guess, $40, I think. We got Leafeon. We got the Manaphy, Galarian, the anti-rare, I think. Oh wait, I skipped it. The promo Galarian Moltres, which is one of my favorite cards. We got a Hatterene, VMAX, a Fighting Reversal. I don't know what the Altaria, Galarian Gallery, the Kyogre V, Cynthia's Ambition, the Galarian Zapdos promo, the Tortoise Galarian Gallery, the Radiant Charjabug, and the $30, I think it was $30 Pikachu, the promo Articuno, and of course the Calyrex that we just got.